Lance, welcome back, my friend.
So great to be back and to see you and Dr. Dan. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Lance, for those of you that haven't seen his blog, Lance has been pretty well famous out there for kind of documenting his hair transplant history. It was called My Follicular Journey.
Yes, I had my first surgery under Steve's tutelage back in July of 2014 when I had just turned 28 years old. And here we are in 2022. I'm going to be 36 years old very soon, and I'm going to be back for my fourth surgery. And you're probably looking at me, and if you've been following my blog for a while, I look very different now. I have a lot of hair on my face, I have a lot of hair on my head, and now this is the full result of the 3 surgeries I've had. And in January 2017, Dr. McGrath did an excellent job revising the scar in the back of my head and softening this up. And that's why I'm back. I want more, and we're going to continue to soften up this frontal hairline here. And I'm just excited to be back, and I can't wait to do this.
We're back here with Lance. Lance and I have known each other quite some time, and we've been through this process. And you know, I'm very happy with where he's at. Today is kind of a, really just it's a kind of a fine-tuning. I'm still very impressed. He never had these temporal points here before. We built all that out. And overall, you know, I think he's at a point where if he could never do anything again, he'd still be very happy with where he's at. But we do have the ability to do little changes that even make it a little bit better. What we really were looking to do is just kind of go through here. There was a couple of hairs that were giving him a little bit of trouble, so we adjusted them, we removed them, and then we basically refilled the whole hairline, essentially doubling the density. Even though his density was pretty good to begin with, we kind of felt like we could actually do a little bit more. And so we went through there again, another 1,400 grafts, smaller grafts, to create a better sense of fill and get them a little closer together and have it not look like it's pluggy, but much more natural, which it was to begin with, but we were able to accent that even a little bit better. So this is post-op day 1, as clean as can be. He's got a little swelling, that's normal. That's going to, of course, recede. And everything's got no complaints. He feels good. Everything is you know, 100%.